Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily create the FPS lag effects to your videos on CapCut. So here you need to add your clips and then just go straight to the video effects. Add the first effect, which is under the lens category. Select the FPS lag effect. Okay, this one. And adjust the speed into around 25 to 30. Okay, apply it to all of your clips and then add another effect. Now you need to go to the retro category and then add the fold freeze effect. Okay, this one. Apply it to all of the clip like the first one. And then the third effect, still on the retro category, select the film frame effect. Okay, this one. Oops. Okay, the last effect. Go to the video effects and click on the TV effects and click on the DV texture effect. Okay, so now you need to make your video in black and white. So go to filter, click on mono and then select the BW3 effect filter. Okay, and now you are done. So this is the FPS lag effect to your clips. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.